If your PS5 is overheating and shutting down on you, the system might be crashing, freezing, or displaying a temperature alert that says your PS5 is too hot. I have gathered a bunch of troubleshooting methods that have worked for a lot of fellow gamers to get your system cooled down. Sometimes something as small as a software glitch can cause your PlayStation 5 to thermal throttle. This can be fixed easily by power cycling your console. First, we need to shut down our PlayStation completely. Then, unplug the power cable and keep it unplugged for about 20 minutes. After that, reconnect the cable, turn it on, and use it for a while to check if it is fixed. In the meantime, you should check the power cord for damage because a faulty power cord can affect your power supply and cause overheating. You can try replacing it with a different cable to rule out the possibility of a damaged power cord. Also, if it is plugged into an extension cord, plug it directly into a wall outlet. Another reason why your PS5 may run into heat-related issues is outdated firmware. Now we will check for software updates on the system. Go to System, then select System Software Update and Settings. Go to Update System Software and select Update using Internet. If there is any update pending, then finish installing it, and hopefully that should resolve overheating. Now we will talk about performance modes that can make your PS5 take less stress and generate low heat. If you play heavy-hitting games that are system-intensive, it will eventually make your PS5 run hot. You can minimize that either by toning down the in-game graphics for each game or by changing it globally in settings. To do that, we need to open Settings again and go down to Saved Data and Game or App Settings. Then we will select the third option, which is Game Presets. Under Difficulty, you will see an option called Performance Mode or Resolution Mode. If you press X, you can switch between Performance Mode and Resolution Mode. Resolution Mode is more demanding and will cause your PS5 to generate more heat. We will highlight Performance Mode and press X to select it. Now your PS5 will run cooler and smoother. If software changes did not have a big effect on lowering the temperature, then there may be dust built up inside the console. We need to take off the side panels and clean it out. Taking them off and reinstalling them will not take more than a minute. Start by turning off the console and unplugging it from electricity. Next, unscrew the base plate using a flathead screwdriver and it will come right off. Now we can take off the side plates, starting with the side that has the PlayStation logo. Hold it firmly with one hand and pull the corner with the logo up while pushing the plate downwards with your palm. It will come off with very little effort. Do the exact same thing on the other side from the same corner. If it is the first time taking it apart in a while, you might see dust clogging up the cooling fan. To clean it, you can use a brush, an electric vacuum, or a blower. We are going to vacuum out the loose dust, take a cleaning brush to it, and finish it off with an air pump. You can stick the vacuum nozzle on the dust catchers to extract dust and debris from the inside. When you are done with this side, clean the other side similarly. If you have installed an SSD in the expansion slot without a heatsink, it may be overheating and causing crashes. In that case, you can install a heatsink so that it does not run hot. We will not reinstall the covers yet and will test the console while the plates are off. Put it on the stand and turn it on. First, check if the cooling fan is spinning, then use it like you normally do to see if it still overheats. If it does not overheat, then the issue was likely due to restricted airflow and dust buildup. Now we can put the covers back on. Align the hooks with the plastic slots, gently press down and push upwards until it clicks into place. If your PS5 is still overheating after these steps, you can try rebuilding the database from Safe Mode. To enter Safe Mode, turn off your PlayStation and wait for the lights to go completely off. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. Once you hear the second beep, you will enter Safe Mode. Connect your controller using the USB cable and press the PS button. Go down to Clear Cache and Rebuild Database using the directional pad. Select Clear System Software Cache first and press OK. Your PS5 will restart, then you will need to turn it off again and re-enter Safe Mode to select Rebuild Database. If your PS5 still overheats after clearing the cache and rebuilding the database, you can try restoring default settings. Go to Settings, select System, go to Reset Options, and choose Restore Default Settings. This will reset system settings to default without uninstalling your games. Saved data can be backed up beforehand if you want to be extra safe. After pressing Restore and confirming, your PS5 will restart in just a few seconds. Following these steps here on TechVibes should keep your console from thermal throttling. If this video helped you out, please drop a like on the video. Leave a comment down below to let us know if your PS5 is running cool again. Make sure to subscribe to TechVibes for more useful tutorials.